Hello, I'm Kendra Lindahl with Landform Professional Services, and I want to invite you to join me at the Sherburne County Area United Way fundraiser for the Dolly Parton Imagination Library on August 17th at Pour Wine and Bistro in Otsego. The Imagination Library is a program that provides free books to children from birth to age 5. Each month, kids get a book in the mail in their name, and reading is fundamental to children's growth. And so we're really excited about the fundraiser. It's our hope to raise $10,500 to provide 5,000 books for kids in our area. So please join us on August 17th at 5:30 p.m. at Pour Wine and Bistro in Otsego and help make reading a joy for kids today.